Hello, I'm Arthur Wayne. Welcome to Uniting Digital. Did you know that we can make nanodiamonds from PET plastic bottles? Two universities, University of Rostock in Germany, École Polytechnique in France, found a novel way of using laser flashes to hit a thin sheet of simple PET plastic with 6,000 degrees Celsius. This generates a shock wave that compresses the matter to millions of times the atmospheric pressure for a few nanoseconds. The ordinary water bottles are made of PET material, which has a good balance between carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen to simulate the activity in ice planets. Like Neptune and Uranus, in those icy giant planets, they have extreme temperatures and atmospheric pressure that are optimal to form diamonds. Dominique Krauss, a professor at the University of Rostock, said that
the effect of the oxygen was to accelerate the splitting of the carbon and hydrogen and thus encourage the formation of nanodiamonds. It meant the carbon atoms could combine more easily and form diamonds.
Currently, man-made diamonds are produced by detonating explosives. But in the near future, we can use the X-ray laser to customize its needs with precise control of the diamond's growth. Nanodiamonds have many medical applications. For example, nanodiamonds have been considered ideal for in vivo imaging and used as an MRI contrast agent since it improves the contrast of internal body structures. Nanodiamonds have shown to have a high affinity for attaching to cancer cells. Once nanodiamonds enter bloodstreams, it skips over the healthy tissue until they find the cancer cells. The nanodiamonds with cancer drug are taken into cancer cells by the tumor itself and destroy cancer cells in the end. This new experiment opens up new perspectives for technical applications, such as highly sensitive quantum sensors, medical contrast agents, and efficient reaction accelerators. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to visit our website at unitingdigital.com, where I share a variety of technology news. I'm Arthur Wayne. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.